How do you know if you're in the right network marketing company? My name is Dale Ecuyer, and I've been in the industry for 15 years. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love this topic because I was in another company for 10 years prior to the mental wellness company. I want to give you 5 things to really think about, to ask yourself, are you in the right company right now? First thing, and probably the most important thing, do you love the products? Do you believe wholeheartedly in the products? Would you tell people about these products whether or not you are selling these products? Ask yourself that question. Number 2, are the products relevant? Are people looking for what you have? Are people looking for it? Is it something that is on the forefront of people's minds right now? Or can they go just anywhere and get that product? Like if it's protein shakes or skincare or whatever, can they go somewhere else and find that product? Ask yourself that question. Number 3, is the company growing? What's the status of the company right now? How long has it been in business? Is it a startup company? There are some advantages to startup companies because it is a startup, right? It's exciting and it's new. But the reality is, in the network marketing space, most companies fail. I think the statistic is 85% of companies fail in their first 5 years. So you want to make sure that the company is stable. You don't want it to be too soon. And then you don't want it to also be a legacy company where everyone in the world has heard about it, because that's kind of a disadvantage for sure. Like if someone says, oh, I've heard of that company. I already tried those products. Or, oh yeah, I have a friend that sells them, and everybody knows about that company. You don't want to do that either. So that's something also to consider. And this is really important. So for me, because I was with another company for 10 years, this was something that really stood out in the company, in the mental wellness company that I am with now. Are there systems and strategies in place? So when you join the company, do you know what to do on day one to get the message out about your products? Do they have ATM groups, ad tag message, where you can bring people into a group, introduce them to the products, introduce them to information about the products, introduce them to the team and who can help them? Are there strategies and systems that you follow? Do you have a clear strategy that you know what exactly you're supposed to do on day one and forward? That's number 4. Number 5, is the comp plan lucrative? Do you know how to make money? Is the comp plan something that you just don't even know, like you can't figure it out? Or is it really simple? Are there clear strategies for that as well? So can you make money by just enrolling customers, or do you have to enroll team builders? That's a really important aspect of a compensation plan that you really need to understand and to know, where's your company stand on that. Those are 5 questions, again, that I think are really, really important. I'm going to be talking more about all of the industry of network marketing in general. I hope you're enjoying my playlist. I talk about parenting, I talk about the industry, and I talk about the mental wellness company and our gut brain access systems and what they're doing to help people both mentally and physically. So to recap, you're thinking about, am I in the right company? Ask yourself, do you love the products? Would you share these regardless of whether you were earning commission or not? Are the products relevant? Is it something that people are searching for right now? Is the company stable? Are they on a trajectory? Are they in a downswing? You can find that out by searching on Google. Does your company have clear, actionable steps that you take from day one? And number 5, is the compensation plan lucrative? Can you make money whether you're just enrolling customers, or do you need to enroll business partners, or do you need to do both? Find those things out. It's really important to investigate and figure out if you're in the right company, because everything's got to fall into place in order for you to be successful. So I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again.